Next, I'd like to talk about customizing redirects with the redirection plugin. Basically, what can happen is sometimes you can have a post, and if you ever change the title of your post or you move things around from one category to the next, you can end up with a URL location that is invalid. So this can be a really big problem because you make a small change, you don't think about it, and then people link to your site and they're going to come to your site and not know where to go. They might get an error message or just be redirected to the home page, which is not what you want. You want to be able to have, whenever you move a post, you want it to automatically be redirected to the new post. So fortunately, once again, WordPress comes to the rescue with a plugin. It's called the redirection plugin. So once it is activated, it is actually here in the tools section, redirection. And right here, it will automatically create new redirections as you move posts around, which is really nice. But you can also go about, and if you have any redirections you want to set up yourself, this is an easy way to manage them all. You can see here that this redirection plugin, if you go to the page, the information page for the plugin, there is a ton of stuff. I could have made a video series just on this plugin. And seriously, it is a humongous amount of things that you can do with this plugin. I like the things that it does automatically, but you may be interested in things that you can set up manually yourself. You click on groups here under the redirections page, and you can do all different kinds of things. You can group posts together to redirect all the different places. You can also, under different modules, you'll be working with WordPress and 404 errors. Whenever an error occurs on your website, it appears here, so you can go in and fix it if you want. It's a really neat way to manage your site. In the past, you had to go ahead and set up redirects through an htaccess file, which can be a pain in the neck. This really just streamlines things and makes life a lot easier for you. It does things automatically, but also allows you to come on in here and do things. It gives you a lot of control over how things can redirect. Now, again, it goes a bit beyond the scope of this video series for me to go in depth here. But the thing is, if you want to really get involved in redirections, this plugin can't be beat for giving you tons and tons of options. But again, you need to be using it because it's automatically going to be redirecting moved posts for you, which is a lifesaver to have.